Strippers, would you like to do some pulling up for us? Show us how you can do some standing up. Or just crawl around in that very funny manner and turn your head to me. Okay. Two newbies at one time. Two newbies at one time. Oh. You have a monkey and a froggy. Hello. And stand up. Okay, let me see if I can hold the camera right. Okay, come on. Gonna stand up? Come on. You can do it. Good job, buddy. Oh, good job. Good job. Look at me standing up. I stood up all by myself. Good job, buddy. Good job. Okay, let's turn it off and see if we actually got that. Okay.